Problem set 2, group 6, Monica Murphy. So the next question that we are looking at is problem 7F. And again, we are trying to figure out the case study design based off of the information provided for us. So the mortality rates from myocardial infarction or a heart attack in 20 cities are compared with the unemployment rates in the same 20 cities. So this is an example of an ecologic study with the study design trying to correlate the prevalence of unemployment rates compared to the mortality rates from myocardial infarction in those 20 cities. This is a study of groups and not individuals and compares health with potential risk factors. So mortality rates being health and the unemployment rates or socioeconomic risk factors. So here I drew a scatter plot with the X and Y axes being unemployment rates and mortality rates, and the dots here on the scatter plot represent the city data. And I just kind of did some hypothetical city data since we didn't get any in our problem so that you could see the example. And then I drew a line so that you could see the correlation of the prevalence.